Hello again, this is Mr. V. Hill. Today we're going to talk about how to convert from point-slope form to slope-intercept form. So the basic question is, well, what happens when we simplify a point-slope equation? So let's just work through an example here. Suppose we have the 2 points, -3, 7, and 2, 4. Well, let's write the 2 point-slope equations for the line that passes through these 2 points. One using this point and one using this point. So first off, we need, of course, the slope. And we're going to calculate that normally. So we take the y-coordinate of the second point minus the y-coordinate of the first point and divide that by the x-coordinate of the second point minus the x-coordinate of the first point. Simplify that a little bit. 4 minus 7 is, of course, -3. And then 2 minus a -3 will give us a +5, because minus -3 is +3. So there's our slope, -3/5. So we can just write down the 2 point-slope equations. Using the first point, we're going to have y equals -3/5 times x minus the x-coordinate plus the y-coordinate. Okay. And then, of course, we can use the second point. Y is equal to -3/5 times x minus the x-coordinate plus the y-coordinate. And there are our 2 point-slope equations. And so let's just simplify these things. Notice here we've got the parentheses. To get rid of the parentheses, we're just going to apply the distributive property. Distribute that in. So we're going to end up with y is equal to -3/5 times x. Then we have, well, this is now, let's change this. I don't like this subtracting a negative. So that's really adding the positive. So -3/5 times a +3. So now we're adding a -9/5. And we still have our +7 there. And of course 7, that would be 35/5. So 35/5 plus -9/5, that's going to be 26/5. So combining the like terms, we get y is equal to -3/5 x plus 26/5. And we notice that this is in slope-intercept form. Great. Okay, so let's do the same thing with this equation. We will distribute in our slope. So we have y is equal to -3/5 x. -3/5 times a -2, that's going to be a +6/5 plus 4. And then we'll just combine these like terms. 4 is actually 20/5. So what we have here is y is equal to -3/5 x plus 6/5 plus 20/5 is 26/5. And again, this is slope-intercept. Oh wait, it's the exact same thing as what we got over here. Fantastic. And that's the point. So you can write the point-slope equation for a line in infinitely many different ways, because you can use any one of the infinitely many different points on the line. But for a slope-intercept equation, any line is only going to have one y-intercept and one slope, so there's only one way of writing the slope-intercept equation. And anytime you simplify a point-slope equation, you will get the slope-intercept equation for that line. Pretty simple. Okay? Well, I'm going to leave you guys with a little practice exercise here. So take your 2 points, write the 2 point-slope equations, and then simplify them to get the slope-intercept equation. If you get 2 different slope-intercept equations, you messed up somewhere. Go back and fix it. Okay? I'll see you in class.